Good afternoon. Thank you so much for spending your time with us for this feedback. So, without further ado, miss, so nami gi-prepare nga 70 questions.
And would be, looking back at the beginning of our OJT, what was your first impression of us as an interns?
Okay. We were approachable, willing to learn, and adjusted well to the environment.
So, was there anything about our initial performance that surprised you, either positively or negatively?
I was happy to see you guys that you will be able to follow instructions quickly and work well with others.
So, next question would be, what specific expectations did you have of us when we started the OJT?
I expected you to be responsible, cooperative, and willing to learn new tasks.
In your assessment, did we meet, fall short of, or exceed those expectations?
You meet the expectations and showed improvement throughout the training.
How would you rate our abilities to learn new tasks, tools, or processes during the training?
We learned fast at a good pace and were open to guidance and corrections.
If you were to summarize our overall OJT performance, what would that be?
Overall, your performance was good and dependable.
So what do you consider our most valuable contribution to the team during this period?
Your willingness to help and cooperate with the team was appreciated.
What 3 words best describe our work character, specifically in terms of attitude, initiative, and reliability?
Responsible, cooperative, respectful, and willing to learn.
Based on your observation, what one characteristic should we focus on developing further for our next role?
You can work more on confidence and taking initiative.
What would you identify as the strongest skill demonstrated during OJT?
Your adaptability and willingness to learn were your stronger points.
What is one weakness or blind spot you observe that we should actively work to improve?
Try to improve time management, confidence in decision making, and in professionalism.
So, how effectively did we collaborate with the rest of the team?
You worked well with the team and maintained a positive attitude.
Was our communication, such as updates, inquiries, or written messages, clear and timely? Do you have any recommendations for improvement?
Your communication was generally clear, but having initiative would help.
Was there a situation where we faced a difficult task, a tight deadline, or workplace pressure?
Yes, there were times when tasks had to be completed quickly during busy periods.
With the benefit of hindsight, would you have advised me to handle any of the situations differently?
Staying more organized and asking questions earlier could make handling pressure easier.
Based on your observation of our performance, what type of role in the industry do you think would best suit us?
A customer service or administrative support role would suit you well.
What is the single most important piece of advice you would give as we transition from OJT to the full-time position?
Continue learning, stay professional, and always open to feedback.
That would be all, miss. Thank you for spending time with us. Your opinion really matter, and as we move forward to our careers.
You're very much welcome in behalf of the Fortune family. Thank you, the three of you, for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Pila ko,
Okay na to.